Why?
Because it's there. The Mount Everest.
That'd be pretty funny though, to go to a concert and have something in 11/8 and conduct
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Could you give
10.
us a couple of measures?
I wonder how you would conduct that. Probably 3, 3, 3, and 2.
Well, what would it be? What plus what plus what is equal to the 11A? Can you see a pattern in all of the measures?
4 plus 4 plus 3.
4 plus 4 plus 3. Yeah, that looks like what it is. So the conductor would probably do a formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They would do little patterns. It would be like a giant 3, 4 time, with the first beat getting 4, the second beat getting 4, and the third beat getting 4. And then 8, 8. That's 1, 2, and 1. Number 9?
Number 8. Number 9. So
Yeah, it should be on 9.
9, but that's not
you're
your
clapping on 1.
You did.
No.
Why is that
Huh?
bar hanging over like
What's that?
Oh, the bar is hanging over to look cool for modern music.
It's
To make
that
it
road.
look like it's all one beat, like it's all included in one beat.
First beat not even
So you'll
played.
see stuff around 1930 start to look like that. And I'll tell you, it's the composer just wants it to look cool. There's no real reason for that, but you can even do this on finale. You can tell it to look cool. So drop the look cool menu down. Okay, sorry. We're on 9. 1, here, 1, 2, and 9. So it's rest, rest, 8, quarter, tie. Ready, and rest. So the last,
It was time.
the last measure. Ready, and. And then, of course, the measure after the last measure. 10, also 8, 8. They just have some accents at the end to show.
So you get louder on those notes.
Yeah.
So the second last measure. Try 9, 2, ready, and.
Yeah, accent the last beat.
What if you did number 10 and the composer wanted it compounded? So if you look at the second last measure,
To 1 lead, 2 lead.
it would be 3 beats in a measure, but the first beat would have 3 8 notes, the second beat would have 3 8 notes, the last beat would only have only 2. So you'd think of it, dum, bum, 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 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. See where the beat is? 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. So you'd still have the same pattern. The second last measure would go. It'd be exactly the same, but very fast.
That sounds really familiar.
Did you hear
It's all
that?
the
Mission
same.
Impossible?
It's like every other thing Dr. Miller used to do. He would have Armenian dances, did stuff like dee da da dee da da dee da dee da dee da. So here, if it goes to a compound, it's really interesting because especially as a conductor, you have to feel this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's like you're rushing the third beat. But it can be done. I hate to say it, it's not that hard. If you look at the beginning of number 10, if you're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See how that works?
Yeah.
You're saying they're all even though? It's all even?
No.
All the 8 notes are even.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. But here's what I'm saying. When we were counting the 8th note, of course we're just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when you go to compound time, you have 3 8 notes for a beat. But this is 8, so we have 3 plus 3 plus 2. So
Yeah.
it's kind of a-
2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 3 day. 1 lead, 2 lead, 3 day, 1 lead, 2 lead.
So the beats, when it goes slow, we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when it goes fast, we put a beat here, a beat there, and a beat here. But this beat is 2/3 the length of that. It feels like you're rushing the beat. And that is actually a nice effect. Czechoslovakian music does that quite a bit.
So would that be like a 9/8 time with the last 2
yes.
being duplets?
Yes. Well, no, not a duplet. Because a duplet would give you even beats. Even beat, duplet would be wah la la da 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 da. This, the duplet would slow down. These are even da 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 da. The beat itself feels shorter.
Okay.
And creates an energy in itself.
Tony says it kind of sounds like a West Side Story. But
Well, in West Side Story, they go. That's a 6/8 to 3/4. They do. So 6/8 as a compound is 1 law lead, 2 law lead, and then 3/4, 1 take, 2 take, 3 take. But notice they both have 6/8 notes. So Bernstein indicated that this 8th note, or 8th note, is equal to this 8th note. So the actual beat changes, where the notes are going. Let's see, those are the 8 notes. So he changes the beat. So 1 law lead, 2 law lead, 1 take, 2 take, 3 take, 1 law lead, 2 law lead, 1 take, 2 take, 3 take. And it creates this wonderful effect that you're constantly changing meters. Yeah, the 8th note is steady. If you take out those accents, it's just, I like to be the 8th note itself is just steady. But it actually, if you watch somebody conducting it, they're going, their beat has to change.
Yeah.
It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. It feels like their beat is changing. And then Bernstein is 20th century. This is modern. The modern composer said, what hasn't been done yet? I know, I'll extend the beam over a rest. That'll look cool. Other composers did something a little more substantial and said, well, what about interesting things that can be done with meter?
Guess some didn't do it.
Oh, just what we need to be able to, at dinner tonight, what did you do today? Well, performed a canon in 7/8. Okay, try it together once. 1, 2, ready, and. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. That.
Wow, this one it's 7/8.
We don't have 7 people. We only have 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8 of us. 7, 7, 8. So let's see.
we're going to back on beat.
What?
Each person backs on their own beat.